On behalf of Engager Participants in Makoko, I want to say a very big thank you to USAID and also to Palladium for bringing this kind of opportunity to our community.
I really appreciate her. Like, make I just talk and the people will be here well. They bought my local. This guy has to get job. Thank Tabitha Kumi Foundation. I'm so happy. I really appreciate her. Thank you very much. Thank you to the sponsor.
Kimake bicherupim Tabi serafim Lo timo wayo you want me fisha shobora.
They have to rate the percentages 100 over 100. Because what they have done, I'm telling you, some of these are adolescents. They have made them to just be as, in fact, I don't know how to put it. Some have not been hearing their parents' advice, but once you start this program, in fact, some have been saving, having their service where they are saving something. Some have even know that be schooling and be working is good, and some of them know their rights.
Thanks to Tabitha Kumi for this mighty gestures, and I thank God for the children, the participants who also brought out their time to come and enjoy. You can see smiles on their faces. A big thanks to Tabitha Kumi, and we say more powers, more grace to their elbow.
I'm very, very happy with this that I've received from USAID. I'm so happy that I can use this soap and buy. I can sew this hamper and I'm going to use this tissue and we're going to do it. See, some videos are inside. Whenever I bath, I will use it and I will see yourself. I'm so happy for us. I'm so happy.
Tell me where do I begin? Look at my hands up. Kimake bicherupim Tabi serafim Money low timo wayo you want me fisha shobora. Your mercy, your goodness in my finger bind, I feel it.
I'm a beneficiary of Engager. I want to appreciate USAID, Palladium, and Tabitha Kumi for providing Engager in our community. It's such a great help for us. We're very appreciative of what you have done. As you can see, with all the figures.
Once said, we won't disgrace you and we won't embarrass you. We'll use this for a greater business and for a greater thing in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you, USAID. Thank you, Palladium. Thank you, Tabitha Kumi Foundation. We love you.
Yes, with everything in me, I say, show.